All right, everybody. This is the flight of the Cleatus' Weather Station Reconnaissance All-Weather Aircraft.
Power up.
Look out, look out. Woo! Look at her go.
Not too high, you'll stall it.
As you can see, it's looking for a hunker alert. It's looking for a hunker alert.
You're getting some good altitude, man.
I'm not even touching the stick. It's just trying to do it itself.
I love when you touch the stick.
Woo! It's looking for a hunker.
Was that the engine cut now?
I cut it out on purpose.
Throttle down. What if you throttle off and just coast? Try that. Now hurry, throttle, throttle. Nice pull out, dude! Yeah! That was awesome! Ah! Good save! Bring it up! Oh, dude, bring it up, bring it up! That was a hell of a save, man!
Oh!
You almost saved it!
And there you go. If you have our hunker alert, I'll be sure to catch it and bring it to you the fastest way anybody can. We don't need a helicopter. We need an all-weather Cleatus Airlines aircraft.